Happy holidays, crafters. I hope the Advent calendar has been delivering cheer this holiday season. This one is on behalf of Spellbinders. Love from all of us at Spellbinders because they gave us a wonderful Advent calendar box this year filled with so many goodies. I so appreciate it, and it was filled with lots of love and lots of great products. And thank you for continuing to feed our creative spirit in terms of letting us produce beautiful cards and projects, but also get us through those tough times and stressful times with the gift of crafting. 2 thumbs up. And the Advent calendar was definitely made for you. So with Christmas wishes, I want to wish you, your loved ones, a very Merry Christmas. Thank you and thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for taking the time to enjoy these 24 days of crafty goodness, reveals, and shares, and some tutorials along the way. And lastly, cheers to the new year. Wishing you and your loved ones a happy new year.